Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Olga and I love to share things about fashion. Today's video will be special. It will be about the minimalistic basic style and about things which actually last. It's around the brand called OGL. This brand has been growing and becoming popular for their sustainability, for their soft, sustainable and super flattering basics. The title says it all. You will also want it. Also, this brand has a certified production using sustainable materials and ethical manufacturing. I've picked up a few timeless essentials from their collection: tops, a jacket, the cardigan and the comfiest pants ever. And also they have a Petite line for their Petite girls, which is very big bonus for me and for all of my Petite friends. Those are the kind of things that you can build your all capsule classic basic wardrobe, and they are wearable every single season. Let's jump right in. The first up is this beautiful belted shawl collar robe jacket in the gray color. I took it in size extra small. You can also check the links below. I will put all the sizes that I picked there with my measurements. This jacket, it has a belt and pockets, and it makes me feel like put together even if I'm just running errands or working from home. It has this cozy robe like feel, but the belt and structure keeps it polished. I love that it has pockets, like actual deep pockets. The material is super soft and middle weight, so it perfectly works for layering. See how it drapes? It's giving quite luxury vibes, but it's still practical. Also, if you will follow my link, you of course get some discount. I asked for a discount from the brand and you will get discount if you click just the link down in the description box. Next one is this shawl collar long cardigan in this beautiful ruby berry color. I even can't fit it all over, it's so long, into my film, but I will show you of course in the clips everything. Look at this beautiful soft material. It's warm but not bulky. This kind of cardigan you can throw over your turtleneck or a top or a t-shirt, jeans or even loungewear. It's such a great piece for the whole fall and winter. It has this flattering length and actually the fabric is extremely soft and pleasant. I would say that it's like a buttery soft fabric. I want to show you details from inside. Here, pockets, they are convenient. I've already worn this. It just makes me feel that my outfit looks very intentional and still fashionable. Then these two. I had to get both the gray and the cork color. This model is called Maxwarm turtleneck with sleeve brami. This is such a clever design. Look at it. It has this top inside with a bralette, so you don't need to layer the underwear. How stretchy is it? Also, these turtlenecks are stretchy here in the collar, and for me it's very important because I always use makeup and I don't want my things to be dirty. Also, they are extremely warm. I can feel it and you can see through the screen this fabric is maximum warm. I love how flattering it is on the body and how cozy it is under the suits, under the layering, or you can even have it just like that with pants like on their own. It's warm, sculpting and honestly feels like a second skin. I love the cork shade. It's soft, neutral and goes with everything, and the gray is classic for cooler months. Definitely a must-have for layering under everything. You get a turtleneck which is the same warm as a thick sweater. Now we will talk about this top which is on me. I love the color. It's a bit different design. It's called the Eco Mousse Thermal Ruched Side Stackable Mockback Top in ginger olive. Look at this beautiful color. Oh my goodness. I will show it closer to you. It's the same soft and pleasant fabric. Also very stretchy. The ruched sides are such a flattering. They hug your waist and makes it so easy to tuck in without the bulk. And this shade again, the olive green, it's a warm, earthy tone which adds something interesting to a neutral outfit. They have other beautiful colors, but I just was crazy about this beautiful green. And this stretch fabric, it's so soft, breathable and great for layering. Perfect elevated basic material. This one might be my favorite. The essential cashmere multi-wear long sleeve top. It's lightweight but super luxe feeling. The cashmere blend really makes it feel like a luxury. You can wear it off shoulder or boat neck style if you wear it on other side. Also, of course, it's perfect under the blazers and cardigans. Though some holes are such a cute detailing for the colder weather. It feels so cozy. Honestly, if you want one OGL top which you wear all year round, it's this one. And I love this beautiful color, like light beige, which suits to so many different shades of brownish and beige colors. Next top is this beautiful navy top. It's called Eco Mousse boat neck brami top because it's also have a bralette under in a beautiful navy blue color. I will show it a little bit closer. With my light here is very bright, but I hope you can see the really beautiful shade of a navy blue. You can see the quality of the beautiful brami from inside with a very comfortable fabric, also very stretchy. It's one of those pieces that both comfy and very elegant. The boat neck neckline is beautiful. It gives a little sophistication while still being minimalist. It's stretchy, supportive, and again that buttery OGL fabric. Perfect for layering under cardigans or pairing with high-waisted pants. And finally, this mid-rise stretch pants. They are straight leg and for a petite in this beautiful milk chocolate color. They actually surprised me. They feels like leggings, but they look like a tailored trousers. Very soft, pleasant fabric from inside and the stretchy waist, which makes you feel so comfortable. Oh, they've got a real pockets. Thank you, OGL. Very comfortable and they fit so flattering. The petite sizing hits the ankle perfectly and the color is so nice. Soft, rich brown that goes with everything like in my closet. It's like a perfect capsule with everything that I've shown today. Super comfy for travel or work from home days, but still chic enough to wear out. So that's my OGL haul, my capsule wardrobe refresh. Every piece feels timeless, classic and well made. If you're building your minimalistic or basic closet, these are the must-haves nowadays. As I said, I've linked everything in the description box here below, so you can check everything for yourself. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more hauls and outfit ideas. And let me know in the comments which piece would you grab first, or maybe several. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye!